Jetstar 4321.
Jetstar 4321, go ahead.
Jetstar 4321, wind road 8, go ahead and turn left. Left turn heading 110, runway 33 left, cleared for takeoff.
Left 110, 33 left, cleared for takeoff, Jetstar 4321.
Meter 4814, flight heading 340, runway 33 right, cleared for takeoff.
Heading 340.
United 697, turn left heading 260, runway 33 left, cleared for takeoff.
Just to confirm for Jetstar 4321, right heading 110.
And let's see, Jetstar 4321, yes sir, left turn 110.
Left 110.
Airshow 3987, flight heading 340, runway 33 right, cleared for takeoff.
Heading 340, runway 33 right, cleared for takeoff, Airshow 3987.
Turning left 110, Jetstar 4321.
Tower, commuter 4814, we just had an RA.
Standby. United 697 for now, just continue runway heading. Just continue runway heading for now.
Tower, commuter 4814, we need a heading.
Commuter 4814, just turn right heading 020.
Right turn 0, commuter 4814.
Jetstar 4321, climb and maintain 4000.
Left 110 and 4000, Jetstar 4321.
And United at 697, maintain, let's see, maintain 1,700 for now. And let's go heading of 36, just continue runway heading, maintain 2,000.
Runway heading, maintain 2000, United 697.
Airshow 3987, let's go right turn heading 020 for now, 020.
020, Airshow 3987.
United 697, there's traffic, 12 o'clock, 3 miles, headed southeast, climbing at 1,500. I'll turn, have you turn for each Charlie.
Traffic in sight, United 697.
Meter 4814, contact departure.
Over departure, commuter 4814.
United 697, go ahead and turn left, the left turn heading 300.
Left turn heading 300, United 697.
Jetstar 4321, continue south heading of 180, now 180.
180 now, Jetstar 4321.
United 30, or Air Shuttle 3987, go ahead and turn 340, 340, contact departure.
Left turn 340, departure, Airshow 3987.
Jetstar 4321, left turn heading 120, 120 and contact departure.
120 and departure, Jetstar 4321.